Today is November 3rd, 2024. One of the subscriber on my YouTube channel asked about a CPU temperature widget in PuppyLinux. So some PuppyLinux, bookworm Pup64, for example, already has a what's called a Gatotray. So it looks something like this, and if you just hover your mouse over it, it'll give you a lot of information, including CPU temperature. So, but this one I'm using is Jamie64 ISO of PuppyLinux that only has a what's called the xload widget here, which does not give information, but this xload just mainly gives you some idea of CPU use at the time. So it's actually pretty easy to get a functional widget with a temperature number, CPU temperature number right here. So what we need to do is go to the website. Here I'll put a link on PuppyLinux forum, and Big Pup, the moderator, has kindly provided 2 pet files which will give you this functionality of the CPU temperature gauge. So all you do is just click to download them, and then I've already done that. You go to the downloads on your root, you have these 2 files. So what you just need to do is just to go ahead and launch the file by clicking on it. So do you want to install this package? Yes. And then do it again for the other. Yes, I want to install the package. Now after that's done, it will not show up until you reboot the graphic server or reboot. So I won't do that because it's going to stop the recording. But basically, to get the graphic server to restart, all you do is on a terminal restart WM and the ampersand sign and then return key, and it will restart. And next time when you restart afterwards, you'll see the number of CPU temperature gauge. Now I have restarted my graphics server. Now you see this CPU temperature here, and when you just hover it, it gives you a little bit more information. And if you don't like it, I think that what you can do is just go to Puppy Package Manager, and then under uninstall, it should be listed. So we'll just go ahead and alphabetize everything, and then we can look for CPU. So just, and then it should be, here is a CPU temperature gauge here, and we will go ahead and remove that package. Go back to the sensor, and then sensor 64. So way down. So sensor 64 and remove. And then so that's all done, and after you restart the WM again, it will be gone. In fact, it's gone right now.